What's happening, tech enthusiasts? Welcome back to Microsoft Sphere, your ultimate source for the pulse-pounding, game-changing news that shapes our digital world. The news cycle is moving at lightning speed, and if you blink, you might just miss it. But don't worry, we've got your back with the hottest, most critical updates you absolutely cannot afford to miss. Get ready, because we're diving headfirst into a universe of innovation, security, and groundbreaking AI. First up, is there finally a solution to those persistent Windows 10 update enrollment issues? We've got the details you need to know. Then, we're shifting gears to the digital battleground, uncovering a massive surge in coordinated scans targeting critical Microsoft RDP authentication servers. What does this mean for your security? Next, prepare to be amazed as we explore Microsoft's latest leap in AI. Vibe Voice 15B, an open-source text-to-speech model capable of synthesizing hours of audio with multiple speakers. Finally, we're getting a crucial update on the Windows App SDK, with insights into the progress and future plans for this vital developer tool. It's all happening right now, so buckle up. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Microsoft Sphere, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. A fix is in. Windows 10 update enrollment issues resolved. For a significant period, many users encountered frustrating roadblocks when trying to enroll in Microsoft's free one-year extended security updates for Windows 10. This program, designed to offer continued protection for those not yet ready to upgrade, was marred by enrollment issues that left many users in the lurch. However, the latest news indicates that Microsoft has finally implemented the necessary fixes, potentially smoothing the path for eligible users to secure their systems beyond the official end-of-support date. This resolution is a critical development for businesses and individuals who rely on Windows 10 and need to extend its lifespan securely. The implications of these extended security updates are substantial, offering a crucial bridge for organizations undergoing digital transformation or facing budget constraints that prevent immediate OS upgrades. Without these updates, systems become increasingly vulnerable to emerging threats, making timely enrollment essential. The problem often manifested during the enrollment process itself, with error messages or failed attempts leaving users uncertain about their security posture. The fix is expected to address the underlying technical glitches that prevented successful registration, ensuring that the intended beneficiaries of the Extended Security Updates (ESU) program can now access it without further complications. This is particularly important as the end of Windows 10 support looms, making proactive security measures paramount. The detailed nature of the fix is still emerging, but the confirmation of its implementation signals a significant step forward in supporting the vast Windows 10 user base during this transition period. The ability to enroll in the ESU program provides a much-needed layer of security and peace of mind, allowing users to manage their upgrade timelines more effectively. This development is a welcome relief for many who have been patiently waiting for a resolution to these persistent enrollment challenges, ensuring that the security of their Windows 10 environments remains uncompromised. But that's not all the news you need to know this week. Stay tuned as we uncover a major cybersecurity alert impacting Microsoft RDP servers. Cybersecurity alert: coordinated scans targeting Microsoft RDP authentication servers surge. In a concerning development for network security, internet intelligence firm Greynoise has reported a dramatic escalation in scanning activity directed at Microsoft's remote desktop (RDP) authentication portals. The firm has documented a massive spike, with nearly 1,971 IP addresses simultaneously probing Microsoft remote desktop web access and RDP web client authentication portals. This coordinated effort suggests a sophisticated reconnaissance campaign, a stark contrast to the usual 3.5 IP addresses Greynoise typically observes performing such scans daily. The primary objective of these scans, according to Greynoise, is to exploit timing flaws in the authentication process. These flaws, when identified, can reveal sensitive information about a system's responsiveness to valid versus invalid login attempts. Such insights are invaluable for attackers, paving the way for credential-based attacks like brute force or password spraying campaigns. The attackers are essentially testing for subtle delays in system responses that could indicate the validity of a username, even before attempting a password. Further analysis by Greynoise revealed that a significant portion of these probing IPs, specifically 1,851 that shared the same client signature, were already flagged as malicious. The geographical origin of these IPs predominantly points to Brazil, with the targeted systems located in the United States, hinting at a potential single botnet or a unified toolset orchestrating these widespread scans. Intriguingly, the timing of this surge coincides with the U.S. back-to-school season. Researchers like Noah Stone from Greynoise suggest this is unlikely to be coincidental, as universities and K-12 institutions often bring their RDP systems back online during this period, onboarding thousands of new accounts. These environments frequently utilize predictable username formats, such as student IDs or simple name structures, which can make enumeration more efficient for attackers. Coupled with potential budget constraints and a focus on accessibility during enrollment periods, these systems might present a heightened vulnerability. Alternatively, this surge could signal the discovery of a new, undisclosed vulnerability, as Greynoise has previously observed that spikes in malicious traffic often precede public disclosures of zero-day exploits. For Windows administrators managing RDP portals, securing these exposed devices with multi-factor authentication, and, where possible, placing them behind VPNs is strongly advised. The report also highlights a worrying trend. 46% of environments experienced password cracking, a near doubling from 25% the previous year, underscoring the critical need for robust security measures. Stay with us as we explore the cutting edge of AI voice synthesis. Next, we're diving into a groundbreaking open-source text-to-speech model from Microsoft that's set to revolutionize audio content creation. Microsoft unveils Vibe Voice 15B. Open-source TTS synthesizes hours of multi-speaker audio. Microsoft is pushing the boundaries of artificial intelligence and open-source innovation with its latest release, Vibe Voice B. This new text-to-speech, TTS, model is a significant leap forward, offering researchers and developers the ability to synthesize remarkably expressive, long-form audio content featuring up to 4 distinct speakers. What sets Vibe Voice 15B apart is its flexibility and scalability, all delivered under an MIT license, making it readily accessible for a wide range of research applications. This isn't just an incremental update. It's a comprehensive framework designed to generate up to 90 minutes of uninterrupted, natural-sounding speech. The model's architecture is built upon a 1.5 billion parameter LLM, specifically QN2, 5-1, 5B, and integrates 2 novel tokenizers, acoustic and semantic. These tokenizers are engineered to operate efficiently at a low frame rate of 7, 5 Hz, ensuring computational economy and maintaining consistency even over extended audio sequences. This approach is crucial for generating coherent and natural-sounding long-form content. Vibe Voice 15B supports not only standard speech synthesis, but also cross-lingual capabilities and even singing synthesis, opening up a vast array of creative possibilities. With a streaming architecture and plans for a larger 7 billion parameter model in the pipeline, Vibe Voice 15B is poised to become a pivotal tool in the development of AI-powered conversational audio, advanced podcasting tools, and sophisticated synthetic voice research. For technical teams and content creators, this model represents a paradigm shift in how AI can generate and interact with human-like speech. Community testing indicates that generating multi-speaker dialogue with the 1.5B checkpoint requires approximately 7 GB of GPU VRAM, meaning that even an 8 GB consumer graphics card, such as an RTX 3060, is generally sufficient for inference, further broadening its accessibility. While currently trained on English and Chinese, its cross-lingual synthesis capabilities allow for tasks like generating Chinese speech from an English prompt. The model focuses solely on speech production, excluding background sounds, and handles turn-taking sequentially rather than attempting to model overlapping speakers. Microsoft has made the technical report, the model on Hugging Face, and the associated code available, along with tutorials and notebooks on their GitHub page, encouraging community engagement and further development. This release solidifies Microsoft's commitment to the open-source AI community and sets a new benchmark for expressive and versatile synthetic speech. We're not done yet with the crucial updates this week. Our final story dives into the ongoing efforts to enhance the Windows App SDK and its future for developers. Microsoft provides clarity on Windows App SDK enhancements and open sourcing plans. In response to considerable feedback from the developer community, Microsoft has offered a significant update regarding the future of the Windows App SDK, WASDK. The company has been actively working on untangling the codebase from proprietary layers, a move that paves the way for increased transparency and collaboration, aligning with the phased approach previously outlined. This initiative aims to foster a more open and community-driven development environment for the WASDK. Microsoft software engineer Batepan has indicated steady progress in this endeavor, with plans to share more concrete details and begin more open collaboration with developers soon. The original plan detailed a 6-month period focused on product improvements and foundational changes to support this more open future. As part of this plan, Microsoft committed to shipping Windows App SDK 1.8 in August and following up with a series of smaller, more frequent updates. Indeed, a preview of WASDK 1.8 was released on August 19, with the stable release anticipated shortly thereafter. This release is a key milestone, enabling the team to complete Phase 1 of their new strategy. Phase 1 includes the more frequent mirroring of internal commits to GitHub, a crucial step aimed at increasing transparency and demonstrating progress to the developer community by early October. Phase 2 of the plan is currently in active development and will focus on allowing developers to clone and build the WASDK repository locally, complete with documentation to guide the setup process and manage dependencies. Pan expressed optimism about sharing tangible progress on Phase 2 in the near future. The ultimate goal of this multi-phase strategy is the full open sourcing of the WASDK, including the WinUI 3 user interface framework. This open sourcing will empower the community to contribute more significantly to maintaining the SDK, addressing long-standing issues, and ensuring it remains up to date. Before this can be fully realized, Phase 3 will be implemented, which will enable developers to submit GitHub pull requests for updates and fixes. Pan acknowledged the importance of this step, stating, "I know we should already be doing this." The commitment to open collaboration and transparency marks a significant shift in Microsoft's approach to developer tooling, aiming to build a more robust and community-supported ecosystem for Windows application development. And that wraps up our deep dives for today. But before you go, stick around for a quick recap of all the top stories. And that's a wrap on another packed edition of Microsoft Sphere. We've seen Microsoft tackle those frustrating Windows 10 extended security updates enrollment issues, bringing relief to many users. We also uncovered a significant cybersecurity alert with coordinated scans targeting RDP servers, highlighting the ever-present need for vigilance. On the AI front, Microsoft's Vibe Voice 15B is set to redefine text-to-speech with its impressive long-form, multi-speaker capabilities. And finally, we got a crucial update on the Windows App SDK, signaling a move towards greater transparency and community involvement. If you found this information valuable, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Microsoft Sphere for all your essential tech news, and ring the notification bell so you're always in the loop. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below and follow us on all our social channels for more exclusive content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.